So hello everyone. Now moving forward, what we are making here is okay. Now I am also guessing and you should guess it with me. Oh, it is a swan, guys. These are pretty birds because these are very calm, composed and sweet at the same time. I don't know. I've never talked to them, so you might be thinking how am I saying them sweet, but these are very less in any. I mean these are pretty sweet, yeah. Okay, so you can fill the colors the way we are making it here, but if you want you can also fill your own preferential colors. We're just telling you how it's like those packets which you got while you make something what do you call it, packaged food. So there's all instructions, so that's what we are making here, but in the end we just do what we want to do. So you can fill the colors of any choice, but please don't ruin the drawing and make them the way we are making here. See, because the end result you will be also happy now. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, what are we making here? Oh, it is this your kettle, tea kettle. Yeah. Okay. Who doesn't like tea, yaar? Okay, there's something we call this art. What do you call this? I don't know. Tell me in the comment section, yeah.